Oh, next letter sa D.
I.
Oh, I. Did you write I?
Even doon sa symbol.
Opo. Oh, letter I. Dali.
Malapit na kain papa.
Oh, dali na. Oh, next letter is?
Z.
Oh.
Yan.
Opo.
Yan. Yan.
Next letter is?
It's like Z. Looking at the sky.
Opo. Oh.
Ne.
Next letter is?
Just at the D.
Opo.
It's circle.
Circle. Letter O.
Yan.
Opo. Then?
Looks like a fish.
Looks like a fish.
Yeah.
Oh,
We don't. Can we give it the eye?
Okay.
Oh! The fish!
Oh, last letter.
It's gonna be
Letter? What letter are you writing?
N.
Then, yay! Finish na si 30.
Distance.
Then,
Hey, Mama.
hey.
I want now to watch the King Kong versus Godzilla movie.
Oh, dance ka muna.
On TV or on cell phone?
I want to watch the King Kong versus
Oh, that's
Godzilla.
On?
On the TV.
On the TV. O, dance ka muna daw.
This is not King.